Hello friends, good morning. So here we have to perform the practicals of the digital electronics, and in this practical the basic requirement, basic equipment we require that we will see first. So very first we are having this IC, and while performing the practical always you test the IC. We are having the IC tester. This is the digital IC tester. By this you can test the IC. On this tester you can insert the IC like this, then press this button. Okay, after connecting this IC, this tester is asking for the IC number. So from this keypad you have to enter the IC number. IC number is 7. Just a minute, it will reset again. Now he is asking the IC number 74138. Okay, this is the IC number, and you will go for the testing. This is the test button. Okay, now it is showing the good IC, means this IC is good, and if IC is good, then you can perform the practical on that. Okay, now remove this IC, and then you can connect this IC on the breadboard. Okay, now see, this one is the breadboard. This is the breadboard. On this IC at the middle socket you have to connect the IC like this. Okay, so this is the breadboard. On this board you can make the temporarily connection. This is divided in this 4 part. This is one part, this is second part, this is third part, and this is fourth part. So these sockets, these connections are connected internally horizontally like this. These are connected horizontally, these are connected vertically. Again from this middle slot these are separated, and again this is connected vertically, and these are connected horizontally. Okay, so on this breadboard you can connect these ICs like this, and you can perform the practical. Okay, after that, okay, so next equipment we will require LED bank. This is called the LED bank. See, all these cathode of the LED are connected together. It is a common cathode, and this black point is the cathode, and anodes are connected to this connector. Anode of this first, second, third, fourth, and so on. So very first you have to check this LED bank. We are having this power supply. So this is the plus 5 volt power supply. This is the this red terminal is the positive, and this black is a negative, red and black. So this plus you have to connect to anode, and minus to the cathode. So this is connected to this cathode, and this is connected to this anode. Now see, this LED is going, means this LED is okay. So similar way, second LED you have to check, then third one, then fourth one, next. Okay, means all LED are in good condition. Okay, if all LED are correct, then you can use this LED bank for your practical. Then one more equipment we are having. This one is the magnifier, and if you want to see this IC number, so you make it on, and you can see the number of the IC. So see it, you can see over here this number. It is showing 74138. Okay, then next one is the this is known as the wire stripper. Okay, so with the help of this wire stripper you can cut the wire, and you can remove the insulation of this wire. Okay, this wire we required for the connection. This is the single strand wire, and to make the connection this wire is required. like this we have to make the connection on the breadboard. So these are the single strand wire we will require for this practical. Okay, so this equipment basic requirement we will require while performing the practical of the digital electronics. One more thing, this is the it is called the plier, nose plier, and with the help of this nose plier you can also use this. You can remove the insulation of this like this, and you can cut the wire. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is called the wire stripper. This is nose plier. This one is the breadboard. This is the LED bank. Then these are the ICs. This one is the magnifier. You can see the number properly if you are not able to see the number on the ICs. Then this one is the power supply and the IC tester. All these equipments we will require for performing the practical of the digital electronics. Okay, thank you.